lovers, thanks for joining me. My name is Bev and I am Momo B Diamond Paints on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you the Dreamer Designs canvas that I'm currently working on. I guess I would say I'm about more than halfway through, maybe 75% through. This is the canvas I'm working on. It's called Peaceful Evening by Liam Kelly, and again it is from Dreamer Designs. I didn't do an unboxing of this. One night I just was like, you know what, I really want to start a new diamond painting and I'm going to work on this one, and screw the unboxing, I'll just do kind of a work with me type thing. But if you do want to watch me kit up this kit, you can watch the video that I'm going to put in the eye here-ish, around there. So I've been working on this for the past couple of days. I can say the drills are nice. There's a lot of tabs and a lot of, not so much trash per se, but there's a lot of tabs. There's a lot of ones that have holes in them, and there is some spacing issues. So you can see up here, you can see it, maybe you can see it better if I turn the light pad on. Can you see it better? You can kind of see it better with the light pad on, but there's a lot of spacing issues and gapping issues in the lighter area, and you can, like, there is some in this area as well, but you can't see it as much as you can in the lighter area, like the sky. Lots of people complain that Dreamer Designs is oversaturated, and for this painting I don't feel like it's oversaturated because the painting itself is a saturated painting, but I do notice that when I'm working on it, for example, let's see, this area here, this semicircle, whatever you want to call it, this curve here, you can see that the drills look more purple. I don't know, maybe this is just my eye, but this looks more purple. Here and here looks more purple. So when I'm looking at the drills, I'm like, where is this purple color coming from? But so for example, you would think that this here is purple. Well, I think that this here is purple, but the actual color isn't very close to it that much. I know the light makes it hard to see because it is, what is it? It is like snowy outside and it's not that bright outside, so I had to turn the light on. But so my issue is the colors on the canvas don't necessarily match the colors in the drills. Like for example, let's see. For example, over here, this color was really bright blue. It was almost like this blue on the canvas. Oh no, here it is. This color, K, if you can see K, is really blue. But in actual fact, when I look at the drills themselves, K isn't that deep of a color. Where's my tray? It doesn't actually match up with the actual tray color. Hopefully you can see that with the drill color. So that's one of the issues, and I think I'm just used to working on canvases where the color on the canvas is very similar to what the drill is. So when I'm looking for the drills for the symbol, I'm not actually looking for the symbols. I'm kind of just like scoping out the color and like, oh, is this that purple or is this that green? But when I'm looking at the drills, you have to actually go and look by symbol because it's not that easy because the colors on the canvas don't match the color of the drills. What else can I say about it? There was a lot of confetti down here, which is fine, but the sky is mostly color blocking. As you can see, there's just big ass chunks of color. Over here was a little bit of color blocking, but again, lots and lots, or sorry, not color blocking, lots of like little bits of confetti over here, but not a lot of confetti. There's just lots of color blocking. And I really like color blocking, but I also like the mixture of color blocking and confetti. Color blocking is great because I am a multi-placer, like I'm obsessed with multi-placers, and I love using my 15 placer, but sometimes you just get sick of it and you want to do a little bit of confetti. So I think this kit is, so far, is a good match or a good mix of color blocking and confetti. And confetti is basically where there's a whole bunch of different colors or symbols in an area and not a whole bunch of colors of the same symbol or the same color in one area. Is called color blocking. But what else can I say about this canvas? It looks pretty. Like it looks like the painting, and I think the house will definitely look more like the painting as well. The colors are kind of on par with the painting itself, like just because the painting itself is a pretty saturated image, that this matches the saturation level. I wouldn't say that it's like any different really. So if people are like, oh, well, Dreamer Designs has overly saturated canvases, I can't really use this as an example because the original is a saturated painting, if that makes sense. I hope that it does. But yeah, so here we have like the mailbox, a little garden entranceway here. Here's the house, and then here's the house over here too. Here's the chimney, windows, the door, another window, and then over here is kind of like their driveway or their path up leading into here. And it's really nice because it looks like the sun is setting or whatever, and it's reflecting down on here, and it will kind of bring out a sparkle. The ABs, you can see all this white stuff is AB. So here's some AB. There's some ABs in the flowers on the right hand side here. Hopefully you can see it. And then the green, there's a lot of green ABs, like there's more green ABs than white, and those are the two ABs that come in this kit, and you can kind of see them throughout, which is really nice because when you move the canvas around, you can it does add that extra sparkle or that extra little bit of shine to the canvas itself. But yeah, so far I'm liking working on this canvas. It makes me really like Dreamer Designs. This is my first Dreamer Designs canvas that I've ever worked on. I think that in the future I will be ordering from them. The one thing that I didn't like, which I totally understand, people have to actually pay customs fees because you're importing things into your country, which I totally get, but it's just annoying that you have to pay customs fees for these, whereas if I ordered a large order, like I have an order of 4 diamond paintings that I got from Diamond Art Club, and I don't have to pay import fees on those. So it just makes me wonder, like, why do I have to pay import fees on these, whereas with other diamond painting companies that send diamond paintings from the US, why don't I have to pay on those? So I don't know, it just is probably something like in the manifest or the invoicing or the shipping process, but I did end up having to pay $16 at the post office in order to get this diamond painting, another one which I did unbox. You can check on my channel. I unbox Kindred Spirit. She's really pretty, but she's really large, and I wanted like a smaller one to paint on or to work on. And it's funny, this one measures 60 by 40 centimeters or 23 by 15 inches, and I used to consider this a large one, but now I'm like, this is considered a smaller one for me. So I'll probably be done this over the next couple of days, like maybe 2 to 3 days left worth of work. But so far, yeah, I like it. And the drills, some of them are really annoying, and I find myself having to pick out a lot of trashy drills, but I guess that's kind of expected. It's not like a whole bunch. It's not like those crappy AliExpress ones where you get like the really tiny bag of square drills and there's only like 40 drills in it and then half of them are trash. It's nothing like that. Like, there's still a good amount of drills, and I feel like I will have a good amount left over. It's just that I guess I'm used to other companies where there's not as much trash in the drills. And yeah, so this again is Peaceful Evening by Liam Kelly. I think it's on sale if you wanted to grab it on Dreamer Designs. And if you guys have questions about this canvas or want to see something very specific about this canvas, let me know in the comments below. I'd appreciate if you hit like and subscribe to my channel. Become part of the hive. Yay! I've embraced the word hive, and I know that it's like cheesy, but I've just embraced it. Okay, so subscribe, join the hive. Make sure you get notified by ringing that bell so that when I upload new videos, you are made aware of that. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!